Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Yeah, Santa came.
Look what Santa brought you. Do you see it? What is that?
Doodle things. Doodle things. Away.
You want to go, Gracie?
And let's go walk with it.
Whoa, it fell over.
Then, wait.
Are you missing your trains?
Yeah.
Better come find them. Oh, do you want to put my...
What about, what's under the tree, bud?
I know.
You want to unwrap the presents?
Yeah. That's no. That is a present. And Bumblebee.
Is there Bumblebee?
Yeah.
You can take him out.
Okay.
He's yours.
Yeah.
You can get it down?
Okay.
Here, pull your stocking off the wall. Can you pull it off the little hoop? You gotta pull up. There you go. You want to sit down and open it? Oh, what's in there?
I know. It's Thomas.
Did you get...
Thomas King Cuddy.
Yeah.
Thomas King Cuddy. Thomas King Cuddy.
It is.
Thomas King Cuddy.
Can you back up a little bit?
Did
Did you get one? What else is in your stocking?
I know.
Are you getting in trouble, Gracie?
Let's let your brother do stuff before you destroy it.
Here, Gracie. No. You want to open one? Here, Gracie. She just wants the ornament.